Hey guys, DashieGames here, and today we are making a challenge video inspired by DashieGames. It's the taco truck challenge. You don't know who Dashie is? Here we go.
Patrick, yo, Patrick, what's good, man? You doing good? What happened? I was just getting him a hug. What? Oh, that's Patricia. Hey, go on with that, bro. Go on with that. Yo, I can't play that. Oh my God, and a taco. Hold on. Turn this shit off. Yo, he after his car. Wait, I was just changing the stations. Word? Hey, listen. I don't want this beef with you. I want this beef with him. This is who I want this beef with. Bah! Ooh, what happened? What happened? Oh, hey,
right.
What happened?
So that's the challenge. So right now, I'm trying to get at least 5 to 8 kills with the taco truck challenge, but we had a little difficulty today. Okay, so basically in the beginning of this, I couldn't find no taco trucks. So right now I'm searching for them, you know, around my motorcycle. So usually just think I'm about to shoot this person. Am I? Nope. All right. So yes, I am. I lied. Dang it. Come on. Dang it. Come on. No. I shouldn't be on a motorcycle. Look at that swerve. Post stops. Y'all forgot my package. I want it today. Give me my package. Come on. That's how they really be too. Come on. Dang it. I have no aim, you guys. Just like Dashie, I have no aim whatsoever. So I decided to get a car. Decided to get this car because, you know, motorcycles, they run you over, it's over. So let me hurry up and get to him. Hurry up to get to that post-op car. Or truck. Go. Hurry up, don't lose him. There you go. Let's go. Hold up. Stop. Yo, could they really be driving? They driving crazy right now. Like, please, I just want my package. Y'all didn't deliver it to my house, so I'm getting it now. Come on. Stop. Fine. Whew. Yes, first shot. Let's go. That's 2 cars. I said that's 2 cars or trucks. Got both of them. So, over, you know, trying to look for some taco trucks, I couldn't find any. And then the cops get on me. So, I check. I die. Deceased. Let's go. Second attempt. Second time the charm, is it? Let's go. Alright, we're gonna find some trucks right now. I see one. It's mine. Come on. Stop. Please. Just wanna give you a hug. Please. Yes. Gotta. Just let me do this for you. Alright, let me find somewhere else. Let's go. Y'all like my driving skills, by the way? I drive immaculate. Let's go. I don't see any trucks right now. Only got 1 star. That's cool. Try to find a truck. Think I see one. Let's go. Dang it. I just say y'all like my driving skills. I just crashed. Cool. Oh, I see one. Let's stop. Yes, first shot. See, my aim ain't the worst. Better than Dashie's, but it's not the best. Another truck. Let's go. Come on, stop. Yes, got him. See, NPCs be hilarious. Let me find another one. While I'm talking about in the video, like and subscribe. Yes. Yes, I got him. But anyway, like and subscribe to my channel, DashieGames. Alright? If you like tacos, hit that subscribe button. Yes, I got another car. Let's go. Another one? I'm going crazy this round. I'm irked that I died. Please, please, no. Dang it. Gotta go after him. Come on. Come on. Stop. Stop. Then you got this car that's trying to swerve me out. Post stop. So I give you my package. Come. No. Yo, you completely could tell this is just a game where the UPS. Give me my package. Please. Dang it, stupid cops. Come on now. I'm just trying to serve the duty of having a challenge. DashieGames. Come on. No. Swerve. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Cool. I gotta get this car. Yes. No. Did I get him? Nope. My aim is messed up. They gotta be having like bulletproof vests on, man. You telling me none of them shots killed him? Come on. Please. No. And the thing is, they ram into you. They go hard once you're shooting at them. So it's hard for you to shoot them. Come on. Please. My car is jacked up. 2 stars. Go. Freak. Come on. Oh my goodness. I got his friend though. I don't care. And this, am I gonna die? Am I gonna die? Oh. Freaking thing was low. Come on. Come on, I ordered. There you go. Ooh, cops. Jeez. Let's find another one. I do not know how many kills I got. But I'm guessing just practicing. Did I get this? Come on. Oh. Right now I'm just going at the trucks because I don't see no tacos trucks spawning right now. Go. Wait. Dang it. Cops, please. Leave me alone. Wait. Dang it. Oh my gosh. Wait. Get him. Come on. Move. I swerved him. Y'all see that swerve? Let's go. Oh, we got SWAT. Wait. Please don't shoot me. Please. Yes, I got him. I got him. Let's go. Ow. Oh yeah, and the other challenge is I gotta stay alive. So I gotta get at least 5 to 8 kills, taco truck kills, with only the pistol. And then I gotta escape from the police. Post stops. I see you. Come here. We serve into you. Wait, dang it. Yes, cop stopped him. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. At this point, the cops are chasing the crap out of me. I didn't know 3 stars was this intense, man. Come on. That was a nice. Oh, truck. Dang it, I didn't get him. I should get the one behind. Yes, get this. No. Oh, come on. Dang it, they stopping me. Yes, please get this truck. Yes, hold on. You want? Yes. It took 4 shots to get there. Let's go. My car is jacked up. Oh my goodness. Run. Go. Go. Yes. Oh my goodness, my tires. Tires are done. Please, cop. I didn't do nothing wrong. I just wanted. It was for the culture. It was for the culture. Get away. Dang it. Crashed. Dang it, I crashed. Please. And at this point, I'm gonna get another car. I gotta get another one. Go. Truck. Ram into him. Oh, I was just like, you know what? Never mind. These cops is on me right now. Please. See you. Get. Oh. These cops are 4 stars now. These cops are on me like crazy. Goodness. At this point, I'm like, gotta bring out the sticky bombs. These don't count now. I use sticky bombs. Dashie, he don't use sticky bombs. But at this point, I'm trying to get away. I'm trying to get away from the cops. Come on. Go. Switch my car again. These tires are nothing. I can't use the custom car. It's not in the rules. We out. Go, go, go. Dang it. I crashed and I'm about to die. Please don't die. Go. Go. Thank you. Whew. Let me find a getaway spot. I'm trying to find where the train tracks are at. Trying to get there. 4 stars. Come on. Go. Look at this driving skill. No, never mind. Like, oh my gosh. Our roof gave off. These driving skills stuff. Look at that turn. Oh. That not turn. So, just let you guys know. I suck at aiming. Oh my goodness. Please. Boom. Go. Get away. Dang it. Now, at this point, I'm over it. Let me get these dudes. And I die.
6.5 hours later.
So now, last time I'm trying to finally see a taco truck. Finally, taco. Right now, that's 1. Let's go. And they was spawning along the hallway. A lot. Come on, I gotta see another one. Like, what am I doing? Go. No, not the cops. Not the cops. Please. Another one, let's go. I'm sorry, I'm loud. Another one, let's go. Please, shoot him. Yes, go. 2, that's 2. Go. Got a regular car. This car getting beat up right now. 3. Oh, is that look like a taco truck? And not really. 4. Let's go. Come on. Move, please. I gotta get this dude. For the challenge. For the culture. Go. I'm out. Not crashing into nothing. Not swerving into anything. I can't lose this taco truck. Haven't seen them at all. Go. Go. I'm getting close. Dang it, the cops. Go. Let me ram into you. Turn around. Get him, get him. Let's go. How many shots? No, one. Please. Yes. Got him. Let's go. We got him. We got him. We gotta go. Go, go, go. No, that's not another one. It's not another taco truck. I think we got 3 or 4. We got 3 or 4. We got 3 taco trucks and 1 truck that looked like one. Is this another one? No. Yes, it is. Let's go. Let's go. We got it. We got 4 or 5. I lost count. Dang it. Come on, cars. Ran right into me. Go. Go. I said 5 to 8. Yeah, 5 to 8. So technically I only need 1 more. 1 more. Or 2 more, depending on my count. I think this is the last one I get. Is it? Oh, they deceased. Please, let's go. I am out hot 3 stars right now. Oh, that's lag. Y'all seen that? That lag. Another one. Let's go. Get him. Get him. Come on. 1 more. 1. Yes. Whew. We gotta go. We gotta go before we die. If I die, don't count. If I die, it don't count. We gotta go. Ooh, should go down. We gonna go down here. Cops never gonna find us now. We gotta escape. Let's go. Go, go, go. 3 stars. We gotta lose the cops, Neil. I'm driving in front of him. I'm trying to get on the train. I'm gonna try to get on the train. Hold up. This car is jacked up. Hold up. Let's go. Let's go on this train. Please, let's go. Yes. Now we gotta wait till we lose the cops. Wait till we lose the cops. We lose them. Alright. We lost the cops. So, comment down below. Y'all think that's a W for a completion for this Dashie challenge. Let's go. Like and subscribe if you're new. And I'm out. Deuces.